is not great, then feel free to take over if it gets really bad. Hopefully it should be fine.
I think if you switch off your camera when you start sharing your screen, Ilana, it should be okay.
Oh yeah, no, that's a good point.
Yeah, live.
Okay, Katie, do you want to allow me to share my screen and I will start?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, everyone, and welcome to OWASP UK Secure Coding Tournament online closing ceremony and prize giving. I hope you all enjoyed playing in this tournament, which was organized with Secure Code Warrior, and it's been running for the whole week, starting from 27th of October, and included lots of challenges in several programming languages for you. Before we move on, I would like to remind everyone about some upcoming OWASP global events. So first of all, just to remind everyone that the OWASP Global AppSec 2020 went virtual and it just finished. Even though it says recordings online, they can still access the keynote. So you can go and register on virtualglobalappsec.org if you haven't done it yet. We've got AppSec Morocco and Africa coming up in just a couple of days' time. And that will be followed by virtual AppSec Indonesia 2020. So there are quite a few very good prominent global application security speakers talking about all the latest trends, DevSecOps, organizing your teams, all the latest and cool projects and tools within the OWASP application security, mobile security, and IoT space. Also, an announcement that the Global AppSec Dublin 2021, originally scheduled for February, was in the current pandemic times, so we're awaiting confirmation whether this will happen as an in-person event. It is likely to go virtual, but still encourage you to go and visit dublin.globalappsec.org to register and await any news on when it's going to be announced as virtual or registration is going to be available as an in-person event, hopefully. I hope you all enjoyed playing on Secure Code Warrior platform. Of course, remember that it's a commercial platform, but as a benefit to you all, is going to be available for you for free for a period of time. Ilana is going to talk to us about this, and you can continue using it. Just to remind you that you as a developer, there are several OWASP projects here to help you to be a more secure developer. So some of them are on the screen. OWASP Top 10 is, of course, one of them, just to learn about top 10 most critical, most frequently occurring application security vulnerabilities. OWASP ASVS is the actual standard that you should use when designing and coding your applications. There are also a few free platforms which allow you to organize games and train in at your own organizations. These are all installable tools. So we've got OWASP WebGoat, OWASP Secure Flag, OWASP Security Shepherd, and OWASP Security Knowledge Framework. All these OWASP projects will help you to code more securely because they essentially are a CTF platforms and include labs. For example, I also urge you to check OWASP Security Knowledge Framework, which now has Dockerized all the labs, and it's very useful. So it's not just a wiki which tells you about all the vulnerabilities and examples of how to remediate them and code in various programming languages. It also has several Docker containers that you can just pull from Docker Hub, spin up and play on your own computer and learn about vulnerabilities at your own pace. Two important testing guides that we've got. We've got OWASP testing guide. So this is basically a guide for the penetration testers and QA testers. And that is how you should test your application for security vulnerabilities. And of course, we have our OWASP developer guide, which is your Bible, how to program your applications in such a way that they are secure. Now I'm going to pass the microphone to Ilana Freeman from Secure Code Warrior, and she's going to show us the leaderboard and announce the winners. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and pass it to Ilana.
Thank you, Sam, and thank you everybody for joining again and also for taking part. It was great to have such a great turnout. There are about 76 developers who registered onto the tournament, which is a really, really nice amount. I'm going to share my screen and simply announce the winners. Just before I do that, just want to reiterate a big thank you to all the OWASP chapters who got involved. I wrote down the list this time so that I could say it much more fluidly. So I want to thank OWASP London, Bristol, Manchester, Cambridge, Suffolk, Birmingham and Dorset. Really nice to have you all involved, and hopefully we can do this again. So just with me one moment. Okay, so as you can all see, we have our winners. Katie, would you like to maybe announce who came in third and fourth? It looks like it was a tie.
Yeah, that's fine.
Did we hear the drum roll?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a noise. Nice.
Oh, I wasn't sure if you wanted to announce it. So we have Rahul and Rossen who came as a tie, so third and fourth place. So congratulations.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well done. And then
Well done.
in second, yeah. Is everything okay? I wasn't sure.
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, great. And then in second place, we have Craig Francis. Congratulations.
Woohoo.
Yeah.
Craig, you're on the call.
Congratulations, Craig.
Thank you. It was good fun. Yeah, not sure what to add to that really, but thank you very much.
You're welcome. Well done. And then in first place, we have Wojciech. So I believe he is the chapter leader for Suffolk. So congratulations, Wojciech.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Amazing. So thanks again for all taking part. Looks like our top four will be receiving hoodies. We'll manage to send over a code for you to input into one of our the page where we can provide you with the prizes, and they can be delivered directly to your door. And then we also have our top 10 receiving t-shirts as well. So look out for those codes as well, please. Other than that, that's everything from me. Of course, we are a program. We work with organizations, and the whole aim is to provide developers with a way to learn how to write secure code. So, of course, if there's any interest, then do feel free to reach out. But yes, like Sam said, I will be giving you access for the next 2 weeks, so you can continue to have a play around and explore the platform. And of course, any feedback is welcome, either from the tournament or any part of the platform.
Thanks very much, Ilana. Can I just ask you before we finish is actually to go through the whole leaderboard, if you want to sort of start from the bottom and slowly scroll up to the top so everyone could see it?
Sure. Let me share my screen again. Here we go. So I'll scroll through it slowly. And of course, everybody can have, everyone has access to the leaderboard themselves if you want to keep track of your score.
That's right. And can you also tell us a little bit about the way how the points are scored as well? So we can see a few people who scored the same amount of points, so there were a couple of ties.
Yeah, of course. Let me actually...
especially if people are using different programming language, because that is a subject which is always quite interesting.
Yeah, sure. Well, what I did do actually was I shared the how the points are scored on the slides, and I sent that around to all the chapter leaders. But essentially, it depends on the accuracy level and the confidence level. And we are working on I believe we had a rejig, and we made sure that the points were scored evenly, regardless of what language or framework everybody was using, because I know that is something that's cropped up over the years, but that's been sorted out as well, which is really great. But happy to go into more detail.
No, that's fine. I think we lost your screen sharing. Ilana, if you want to reshare the screen, and just show the entire leaderboard starting from the bottom and going all the way to the top. That would be great.
Okay, bear with me one moment. It came off the screen, so let me just get that back up. So, yeah. So here's from the bottom, everybody that probably signed on with the intention to play.
Yeah, quite a few people didn't score anything, and then start from 60 points here. Yeah.
And then back to the first page. And here we go.
Oh, excellent. Thank you very much. And of course, being from OWASP London, I'm a bit gutted that nobody from the London chapter in the top 10. So we've got Dorset, Manchester, Suffolk, Bristol, and Cambridge.
Oh, you do? You've
got
a couple of London.
Yeah, we've got the number 8, right? 8th, 9th, and 10th place are by someone from OWASP London. Excellent.
Yeah. Amazing. Cool. Well, that's it from me, unless there was anything else you wanted to discuss, Sam.
No, thank you very much. Just wanted to say big thank you to you and Secure Code Warrior for organizing and running this, and remind everyone that all the winners should receive an email message with the code that you can use to get your hoodie and your price from. Is that a T-shirt as well, right, Ilana, from the merchandise store? Yeah.
Yeah.
And also big thank you to OWASP WEA committee, the Women in AppSec committee, and Katie Anton from Bristol chapter. Katie, do you want to say a couple of words as well before we finish the stream?
Just thanking the Secure Code Warrior for organizing this great tournament among the OWASP chapters in these times when everybody is sitting at home and doing not much. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure.
Yeah, thanks everyone. We'd like to remind everyone that you can continue following our meetup groups. We're also on Eventbrite, LinkedIn, Facebook, on all Twitter, all the social media. There will be more future events coming up. I believe more and more local chapters within the UK and outside the UK have the events, and obviously the advantage of now being the in the pandemic situation that you can attend chapter meetings all around the world. So I attended OWASP Ottawa chapter meeting recently, and it was really, really awesome to speak with people located in Canada while being in London. I think it works really, really well. Reminder that all the OWASP chapters can be found on Meetup, and you can join the Meetup groups and follow the events. And we will be organizing a OWASP London chapter meeting soon as well, with at least 2 talks. So make sure you follow us. And I think, Katie, do you have an announcement? Do you have an event coming up soon as well?
No, I don't have anything organized at the moment yet.
All right. Okay. Well, I think some others. So Suffolk had an event, and Birmingham as well had an event last week, which went really well. So I'd like to thank everyone again. Thank you, Secure Code Warrior. Stay tuned and stay safe, and we will be continuing providing you with great events, great content to learn application security safely from home. Thanks, everyone, and goodbye.
Hello, thanks.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Katie.